Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the alphabet words. Let us get started. A for angel. Angel. B for boat. Boat. C for cake. Cake. D for dolphin. Dolphin. E for ear. Ear. F for farm. Farm. G for gift. Gift. H for house. House. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jelly. Jelly. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lamp. Lamp. M for mountain. Mountain. N for necklace. Necklace. O for ostrich. Ostrich. P for pencil. Pencil. Q for queen. Queen. R for river. River. S for spider. Spider. T for train. Train. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for vegetable. Vegetable. W for window. Window. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you kids for watching all these alphabet words with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.